What's up, you guys? This is Junior Trader, and in this video we are taking a look at AMD stock. We'll do the price action analysis, and also I'll be providing you a play that I'm most likely about to open. I'll give those areas what levels I'm looking at. I haven't opened this play yet, and I'm avoiding to open the play on Friday because I don't like opening trades on Friday because market can change over the weekend. And also it's just I don't want to hold on to that position for no reasons, right? Because um, for many reasons, right? Again, I don't want to turn this video into financial video. It's mostly education purposes, and just I'm sharing my opinion. That's pretty much that it is. And so yeah, let's talk about this. I did a video on SMCI as well, talking about the play that I have already opened on that short play, and then I did a video on Nvidia as well this morning. Check those videos out if you're interested. So AMD. Guys, so I'll be doing another video because the reasons I'm really looking for all these short plays now is if you look at SPY, the ship has turned. And I'll do a very separate dedicated video on SPY and QQQ today talking about the price action on that. But for the sake of just keeping this video in context to AMD, let's stick with this. But there are a lot of confluences building that's giving me some confidence on the short sides on these stocks. So yes, let's talk about AMD. Now, what I have been seeing and talking so far is AMD is being swing bearish, right? And I won't take it long to the upside. I mentioned in my yesterday video as well, as long as it's not recapturing 174. Yes, these intraday long plays have come on AMD right over here in this consolidation, but the sentiment has still been that it's the downtrending stock. So it's still swing short play. Now, having said that, let's go to the hourly interval and things will get more clear. So on hourly interval with AMD especially, what I'm looking at is this little bit of uptrend that we were forming gave us some upside moves, but as we lost this trend line and the pivot levels and also the level of 168 and 62 cents, we again become downtrend, right? This is now intraday downtrending structure as well. And I'm watching this area of 161 and 85 cents to 162 as if there's a possibility we can flush. If we flush lower than this, it's a short play. And I'll talk about this just a second. We are still below 200 hours moving average, constantly being rejecting, can't recapture above $170 supply zone as well. So AMD has been all along a lot weaker. Again, I wish my position doesn't open on the short side today because I don't really want to open up a short position on Friday. But this is the zone that I have put my order already in. So let's see what happens. But yeah, this is again, I'll give you the areas that I'm looking at stop loss and short play on this, how I'm planning this. But yeah, so technically AMD is still in the downtrend. We lost this little bit of intraday plays to the upside that we were developing. We lost that trend line. But all in all, the general direction, as I have been saying on the swing side, we are still downtrending. It's lower highs, lower lows. And we couldn't recapture, as I said, $170 level. We couldn't even, as I said, 174 and above would have been a confirmed swing long direction again for me. But AMD has not been able to do any of that. We are below 20 days, 50 days moving average. Long term, we are still on the downtrend on AMD here, right? So what is this short play that I'm looking at? So this is pretty much the zone. I'm looking at a flush play. I don't want to open this position today. I'm just debating myself. Let's see if it opens today. But this is the short play I'm looking at. So I'm targeting 200 days moving average technically. And as this will move up slowly and slowly, I'll move my, this area of position as well, full take profit target down there. However, I will be sizing out in other areas of profit. For example, this another significant level, $150. I'd like to size out once this position gets open in this profit zone if this gets in my direction. Because as I said, nothing is guaranteed in stock market and we have to have our stop losses. My stop loss ultimate area would be this $171 range. A little bit giving it a leeway above that. It's a big stop loss, I get it. But this is what I'm going to build into here. I'm going to size in, size out here in this red zone as per if position goes against me. But my trigger point is just around this area of flush. I consider the zone of 161 down to $151 as $10 move, a flush zone move. We'll see if we get flush or some crawl down, but I'm expecting a move out of it to the downside. And then the fully I want to get out at around 200 days moving average. But that's my plan going into AMD again. As I said, nothing is guaranteed, and I'm only providing just as educational opinion here. Nothing more than that. You go and do whatever you want to do. I play no role and no part in any of that. Your money, your decisions. You go and do whatever you want to do. Let's yeah. So hourly interval already talked about it. Let's take a look at 5 minutes interval. What are we seeing today? So that's the thing, just continuous weakness. We really sold off in the pre-market. We lost all the levels, and yeah, it's like any rebounds on this are just being shorted because this is weak, guys. This is the supply zone. This is massive players selling AMD. And we have been having some zigzag today on Nvidia. I would highly suggest check out my morning video on Nvidia. This is just, I'm just showing you high level. I'll do another video on Nvidia, but Nvidia also literally not being able to hold itself up today. And then we have what? I was showing you the ship is turning. So the SPY, look at this bloodbath on SPY. Clearly in the downtrend. This is the big hedge funds taking their money out while telling you to buy so that they can sell. They're wanting the liquidity, right? And so yeah, ship is turning, guys. Ship has turned. I'll talk about this in another video though. But most importantly, I want to talk about AMD in this video, and also check out my SMCI video I did today. I already opened up a short play on this. I didn't want to, but hey, my order got hit and it is filled. So again, check this video out of SMCI as well. All right, so AMD, guys, yep, I think it's just have now room to come lower, and yeah, this thing has a room to come lower. I think the chance of saving the market right now, at least for the cool off or sell off, is very low. I think we just have a lot more continuous downside to come now from here on. So again, just my opinion and just sharing what I'm seeing and reading the market as, okay? But anyways, that's pretty much it for this video, guys. If you found it helpful, valuable, hit the like, subscribe. If you need access to my tools, links in the description below. I have 2 trading bots, 2 indicators, and Wall Street alerts, okay? All right, guys, take care. Bye.